Most people choose field service software based on ads or popularity. That is a big mistake. Because in real business use, the wrong choice can slow your team down every single day. In this video, you will understand the real difference between Service Fusion and Housecall Pro in 2026. We will break down scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and day-to-day usability in a simple way. And by the end, you will know exactly which one fits your business without guessing. Let's start with Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is built for simplicity and speed. It is designed for small to mid-sized service businesses that want everything easy to manage from a phone or a laptop. Think of someone like Jake, who runs a home cleaning or HVAC repair business with a small team. He wants to schedule jobs quickly, send invoices instantly, and track technicians without complicated setup. That is where Housecall Pro performs well. It feels modern, clean, and very beginner-friendly. The mobile experience is especially strong, which matters if your technicians are always on the move. But here's the problem. As your business grows, you may start needing more advanced control over dispatching, reporting, or workflow customization. That is where some users feel limited. Now, let's look at Service Fusion. Service Fusion is built for more structured field service operations. It is designed for companies that need deeper control over scheduling, customer communication, and job management. Imagine Alex, who runs a larger plumbing company with multiple teams, emergency calls, and a dispatch center. He needs tighter control over job assignments, call handling, and customer records. Service Fusion gives him that operational depth. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Service Fusion is powerful, but it is not always the easiest system to learn. The interface can feel more complex at first, especially for smaller teams that just want something quick and simple. Housecall Pro, on the other hand, focuses heavily on ease of use. Your team can usually learn it faster, and onboarding new employees is smoother. But that simplicity comes with fewer advanced customization options compared to Service Fusion. Let's make it very clear. If your business is small, growing, or focused on speed and simplicity, Housecall Pro is often the better fit. It helps you stay organized without overwhelming your team. But if you are managing a larger operation with multiple technicians, complex scheduling needs, or a dispatch-heavy workflow, Service Fusion can give you more control and structure. So the real decision is not about which software is better overall. It is about which one matches your business complexity today and in the near future. If you are scaling fast, think about control. If you are staying lean, think about simplicity. That is the difference that actually matters in 2026. If this comparison helped you, hit like, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and comment which software you are currently using. It helps other business owners make better choices too.